Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to print welcome to Python programming lab. So this is the message you have to print using the Python program. So let's try to solve this. So this is the simplest two-line code. So let's take a string variable, that is text, and assign the string, that is let me copy and paste it over here using the quotes. So this is my string and I have to print this string, that is text. So this will print the text or the string onto the standard output. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So you can see that is the string message, that is welcome to Python programming lab has been printed and the process has been exited. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print welcome to Python programming lab, or any string that is a welcome message you can put over here. So this is a complete program. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.